Greetings, brothers and sisters. The human heart is maybe the most challenging area to investigate. We are all aware of the treachery that may blossom inside the human heart, as well as the immense sacrifice that may be made. Pope Pius XII added the Memoria of the Immaculate Heart of Mary to Church liturgical calendar in 1944. This occurred during the Second World War, which unleashed all the rage, hatred, and violence that the human heart is capable of. The Holy Father directed our attention to another human heart, the Immaculate Heart of Mary, during this feast. We are to witness and endeavor to replicate in her a heart that is entirely receptive to God's plan and purpose. Multiple reasons, dark secrets, and unusual people might bind our hearts. Mary's heart is a gateway to God. Her motive and goal had depth, but never indiscernible complexity. Mary's words, "Let it be done to me, as you say," sum up her entire existence. This feast celebrated by examining within our hearts and assessing our motivations, values, and faithfulness. This day is an opportunity for us to seek Mary's intercession to purify our hearts, allowing us to open them to the Lord and mend the damage done by hardened hearts with our own, that is open and responsive to God's love. Few individuals are as receptive to God as Mary was because of original sin. Her immaculate heart had been cleansed of the effects of the first sin, which had darkened the heart, filled it with self-serving impulses, and closed it off to God's love. The heart, according to Blaise Pascal, has reasons which the mind does not know. The heart is our innermost portion, where the truth about ourselves resides. We serve God not only with our minds, but with our hearts. The Immaculate Heart of Mary's love is both the model and the means by which we might purify our hearts of the various things that occupy them and reopen them to the work of the Holy Spirit. Mary's intercession can help us conduct some heart cleansing and open our hearts wide to Christ. May God bless you all.